One of the most useful parts of level billing is our actual versus bill tracking. Every time a visit is completed, LawnPro records two things side by side: the actual value of the work performed and the flat amount that was billed. On the contract detail page, you will see the actual versus billed widget. This widget shows you how many visits are complete, your total billed to date, the total actual service value delivered, and a running balance showing whether you're over or under. This gives you a clear, ongoing picture of whether the agreement is actually profitable, without having to run any numbers yourself. We also have a profitability report. To see that, you'll go back to your level billing page and click Profitability Report. This shows all your contracts in one place, with total billed versus actual services rendered, profit or loss per contract, margin percentage, and current status. This is the report to check before renewal season. If a customer's agreement has been running at a loss, you'll see it here and can reprice accordingly.